Well, let's go install PVR CLI. For that, we need to go to the Pantacore website, the documentation, and inside the documentation to the installing PVR section. In here, we are going to select the binary that will work with our architecture. In this case, I am in Linux and AMD 64 architecture, but we have Mac OS, Windows, and Linux on ARM. I will try to copy the link and download this in here. You can download it as you want. Then we are going to extract the PVR. Could be done this way through the console, or you can just right click the file in Nautilus and extract. Will be the same. There we are. Now we have the PVR binary there, and I'm going to move it to the user binary folder. In order to be able to run it directly from there. Now that I have PVR installed, I will run it a first time as a sudo user. It's going to try to see if there is a new update or something to update it. And well, we have there now the latest version on the stable channel, and we can change from the stable channel to the development channel if we need it. With the configuration, global configuration, where we can set up the auto grade to be off. By default is on, and we can change from the distribution tag stable to the development or the latest. That will be kind of the same. With that, we are going to have the latest version of PVR available. In here we have most of the actions available on the API of Pantacore. We can create devices, log in, create a new user, see the logs of the devices, scan for new devices on the local network, and do a bunch more than that. But let's start with creating an account. You can create an account from here and you will need to set up the email like so. And the password, or you can create an account from the website here, hub.pantacore.com, where you have the register now information. I will create an account with my Google account because it's faster. And this is a new account with my Google email. Doesn't have any device. This is trying to find devices, but until now I don't have any device. And I can go and download a new image from here. That will be the next step. Download an image and set up the whole Raspberry Pi 3 with the image and see how it goes with the hub interface.